Hello everyone and welcome back. In our previous episodes, we have been exploring what it means to lead in love, care and community. But where exactly does that community come from? It begins at home. Today, we are deeply honored to welcome a very special family that brings together both hearing and non-hearing perspectives. Together, we are going to delve into the beautiful and vital conversation. How do family dynamics support, shape, and redefine our experiences in the world of disability? This is The Other Narrative. Hello and welcome. Hi, welcome to today's episode. Can you please give me your name and introduce yourself?
Ikring asari dan lingkungan. Dia mencari dan school. Dia Islam dalam dia ada ajar kabar Islam dalam dia ada sakaya. Kita ini Healingson Syiemlieh. Dia kasih name je ini kedai komputer.
And Rafi what? Thank you so much for coming. Wishbun bafila yawan ta singi bafila aipor ba hakane banginya yok lek ni ke episode. Ba Gigi. Por village school pi mention ba pi shit lek kini ki comedy apa ki jing ki performances ma. Pi should use comedy haduk mentah por fi kai sign language.
Mencoba kadang dan hasilong ba kasain kalau ka different but ki le jokes kasain they kalau funny comedy dia but hadirin ile na Chennai kasain kamdan jo tambah kalau kamlang kamtamhi dia ka English baro ki le kam ki dramas baro hadirin iwan hasilong ki berjenjar hadirin baro kelana malay kasain they hadum take yang le comedy bat mentah baro lamasir baro
Ngai i pi mentah pi desha ubreu badon shata confidence. Kumnu pi yo and ke ba pi le ba pi long ne ubreu badon confidence ni.
Ngamen shwa ba bagi hearing ba mga bang along deaf bang amla bansanya baro dia baro ki akaran ngapor ngam sulong confidential lagi dia bailalan na Chennai kasain dia la poison ni imsole ara ladan ka confidence bansain ni ki baro dia kipet kumlang ngim naman le sign dia hantu ki use sign language dia kumlang bansain mai pa dia ki teachers haskal baro kana is dia kiwan ban hikai le dia baro kasain dia hadum ta baro ki enam le kasain ba hafrando teacher suruh jadi ki amik jo sapa haskul bas dia mata ki akman menta labun ba yang wale kasain lakman ba inam wale kasain baro
Pila man batai ke difference between ke deaf community hapo Chennai but ke deaf community hang ni ke kita ki differences.
Chennai kilau nang manle kasain dia kita rai bat mentah pop frendo isa dia kena hikai baru ki copy ki saim dia ki copy ki teachers dia mentah kelas masyarakat dan kelas 5 kemudian kelas 6 7 dia lawan sama ipa dia din ya kan bat sister ba dia banyak ke college ba kelas 6 7 dia mentah lawan ke computer class college kelas 11 to 12 BA mentah baru kelaya healet dia mentah pa entry later possible hospital
Kani ka question kan di shek kong pila man keren tak dia chapang ledi and how did you grow up and your experiences
namin siya bang alang grow up Ting ngiwat ya ka school ba ya ki deaf. But kadang tak ka hearing school but so tu te hadin ilang tamaray ba imi melapan ya ka school. Te hadin imagine iwat ya ka school ang badan yam ka deaf school te iwat te hadin pat isa laba ka deaf school te namar ka jenja de iban ya ka school te hadin let na po Bithani society but kiran kisain ki ABC ba so tu na dudang te kandai sam idam praktis ya tu te hadin menta lakam lang male kasain baro ba lakaman.
Do you feel pride in knowing that your sons are now so fluent in 3 different languages and how they have been brought up being children of deaf parents?
Coba dang kaya ngi arngot ihikai ban le English kasi sign language ihikai te ban lan kai ABC ba mantagi la yanang te ilan pride.
How do you manage things at home? Namar ba ban ri ki kna shinrang arngot te kadega kam here is a big responsibility. How do you manage things about you?
Bagi mla ban ya so ba but kiba sa hazan ning chingi ki kai bang ngim le ban le iki bad things but ngim de ban use bad words but ngi de ban le iki kam ki ba ba.
The kidan kini arngot in hakaway kamera. Kumno appreciate. How do you get their attention? Kumno pi.
Bang ngidan hayin hajan te di khat ngi la ban ya so te di ngidan kham sa em la ban khat ite shon hajan ngi te shon khat ngi
The kene apa kali pi ma the pi ya pi arngot the pi la por like hi restaurants la ne the pi ha ban le teaching egum tu the ki waiters ki kim judan ra any reaction if he sia ba pi sign any bad or good reaction kan
te kidan ki boleh ki ba mangile apa restoran te kidan ki boleh bangin le apa ka CODA ba kidan ki boleh ki ba ba gumna pila ban le kasai te ngapat ba ime pa jang ide ba nakran idang daf te hadin yarap ban baro kim dai ban ai ba reaction but ki ai good reaction ni te ta tu ime pa jang long kaman.
Kali if you have your school life ma kino hikai jong pi kitap mai pa jong pi hi ba
bang kaskal baram jang hasing kasi te kidan kinai kai ki batep labon bakitep mamtang ala mosha pun presbyterian te mentak kamle kibon ki breki pan ki tisha janga ki batep ba kidan tang we na ar ki batep ba me janga pa janga pe daf.
Bara arngot menta you are growing boys so you obviously have a bunch of friends. The fiwan ra eki sheyeng pikin and ki realize ba kini pa jong piki de ki ba deaf ki ba yos no and ki ha sign. What reaction do they have and what reaction do maybe ki kini pa jong ki have?
Tiba ngai ki pala jana school teng ngasih ta kini bas pala babara ki latep ba ki pala jana ba kim nang ban keren ba ki pala jana ki ban ai tengah sih kai ki sign kindiat but ki sign ki me pa jana.
What feel like outside go outing but kini pa jong pi? What have you learned from your experience as an interpreter for your family?
Kemang asyik interpret ki family teng asyik Arab ki teng ngambil lambat ki teng nakarang apa lah experience ha tiba di perangai asyik lain but kita lang interpret tu ha.
Berarti iditi become fever main dan interpret for your house. Okay, that's interesting. Nga kadang expect ba David mo pi ang mo idi ni.
Asyik tambah buôn xem ở trên đây thì thằng bà đã lại vô đây ấy sẽ nằm ở đây sẽ có sinh này phải vậy là sinh đàn sẽ vô.
Oh, okay. For both of you, do you ever see ka line to be an interpreter as a future career or anything kunta? Like the Shailesh Syiemlieh here, apart from being basketball player.
Thế bạn interpreter kalau kau bercinta.
It's hard. Okay, I understand how it can be difficult. People dah bapa, the Shailesh Syiemlieh dah feel ahead if you got one long interpreter. Tahu.
Dia sekal baik peralatan ini inang man lihat saya. Peralatan ini baik kesan.
Oh wow, PKP. Wow, that is very interesting. When menu PKP ni peralatan fiwan sign per lunch break. Okay, wow, that is honestly very good. Biar para arngan kali, what are kini the hopes and dreams that you have yaki future jang kini hun jang fi?
Mga ikaw future yaki ikaw ba mangingilang ki interpreter ba nangimikay ki ba halin ka future ba kisa lang danger te ikaw bangin iya yaki bangin hikay ABC ki de kila grow up baken ka future si ba lang interpreter kumhaki pisian apa ki batisi te ba ki de ki pet ya TV kim la masuk tu ba ki baru ki keran lot badan ka ka holiday baru kim la ban so but im la ban so tu te mentai ita bahaya mangin la ban long kin terpeta ba kin de ki pet ya TV baru dan problem ke ba ngila ban interpret iki tindak ra ko ingi ba ngila ki interpreta ba ka fly interpreter baru ba kin hikai baru ki kana
Mapipere kung kalong kumite, I'm very sure bapidon hikitaki hopes that you want to see for your sons. And what are they?
Bahagian ka future ba dengi grow up ikapan ngi ka jo hi ikapan lang interpreter
Basketball player. With that, aš ko akan add ini I guess final question ke kata ke advice pi ko akan I or ke jingkas nam fi ko akan I to people out there, families out there with disabled family members. What advice can you give them that can help them to keep striving and to keep going on and to not lose hope for a better, more accessible future?
Apart from that, kaya pwede ka message ba batong na message ka doon sa ina naman sabi maniiya ka sa itikang kuno kaya di batong
Hot ba manchwa ba ki hearing ki brio bara ba idaf mare ba un ki berki imchui ki ba de idaf na kumlo de la confuse ba kumlo mem na ban kara jadin ya ka UDID ka video na na ba dalan de AI ban de YouTube de bangi darat bangi manchwa de ngada permi de hadin ngile sa yo she de hearing baro ki ba kamla kadar ji ba ide apa YouTube te ikran ni ba yang kali kadar di jong pi yang ha yang kabiang ba filia yang kuble shubo te hari yang kia di sarang dukan te baro ki akan dulu ji ba laso komen ba menta ba media pin social media ya te ilang komen ba ilaban kendo ya baro
Kani perangan kali fisia angan as children of deaf parents, what advice would you give to other children of disabled parents? Fisia angan.
Ya mga bagi disabled children mga kapan ayah ki ba kinang mali sign but mga pangalaban le kasign ya kapan ni kaya ki kenda pakinle manang kasign bakin improve ya kasign kenda doa bagi dah kini iya ki bakin keman ki but kita baru kemlang penasai ki aku bakin aku bilang sad ki but aku berharap ki ban keren ki bamla ban keren aku berharap ki ban le kasai
Mafi pada
with sa với mo chúng ta kun trong khi này cái gọi qua và đi papa thì khi bra luôn và khi cái sign thì về này thì dan dia mengaji temu ban bu ya ka sign language school penyerap cool
Hard question you.
Thì cái tu này cái khi ăn được dan dia sing ka sign language school
Kembaka surgery para bahas school baru ki kena bahi kaya kasai but manta kami ki pari ki mana school ki kena baru ki ang hai good morning ki da kasai but ki lang shock ba kum ba ki lawan le kasai but ki so na le ki baharin dilawan terina civil but imay ang aning kaman ha yang boleh kum ikaman yang boleh tiadin yang ba school jang I penskam ba ki baru ki lang male sai yang shisha jadi nak nama dia sign bagi kamla pada syas sekali para yang tam le hai aku kasi ila balai jadi kamla ba intimate ki ba ki ai ki kana baro mat ki meki ba saki
at kumtangin penkut na ya kani ka podcast Lishibuan berbara sangat filawan mentasi filapelai boring even one and thank you dear listener for tuning in. I've been your host Steffi and we'll see you next time.